Привет, друзья! 16th set of 50 Russian words per week. As always, let's get right into this. We have all nouns left today. We're gonna have not literal but figurative nouns that don't describe objects but describe things that you cannot touch. And this set, of course, is available on Be Fluent with the first link in the description. Add it to your vocabulary. Practice it with our exercises on Be Fluent, and all of that for free for the first week. Check it out with the first link in the description. And let's get started right now. First is kilometer. Kilometer is a kilometer. Kilometer. Dollar is dollar. In Russian we have dollar, and not dollar. Okay, dollar. Победа is victory. Победа. Занятие is either a thing to do or occupation. This can be describing your occupation as a job, занятие, or like a task to do as well. Next, вход. Вход is entrance, and the first V is pronounced as F. Вход. Next, рождение. Рождение is birth. Рождение. Probably the reason why it's in A1 level is because of день рождения, birthday. But by itself, рождение means birth. Урок is a lesson. Урок. It can be an actual formal lesson, like an hour lesson, right? But урок can be a life lesson as well. Урок. Среда is Wednesday. Среда. Wednesday is in the middle of the week, kind of. So среда is short of середина. Середина is middle. So среда is middle of the week. Why is it not Thursday, the fourth day? Not sure. Maybe because in the past, Sunday was the first day. In Russia, now it's Monday. But maybe that's why. Interesting. Next, we have погода. Погода is weather. Погода. Then we have задание. Задание is a task to complete. Задание. Next, переход. Переход is either transition from one to another, or переход can be a cross. Crossing, like a pedestrian crossing. Переход is used there as well. Next, экзамен. Экзамен is an exam. I hear students say this exam, but not finishing with the whole thing. Экзамен. We have an extra syllable in Russian. Next, воскресенье. Воскресенье is Sunday. Воскресенье is resurrection. And Sunday, for some religious reasons, Sunday is the resurrection as well day. And so воскресенье is Sunday, but a root is resurrection. Next, перемена. Перемена is change. Перемена. Also, перемена can be a break between one lesson and the second lesson in school. So when in between I think it's called intermission, right? So intermission in school, перемена. Next, подпись. Подпись is a signature. Подпись. Суббота is Saturday. Суббота. Суббота is similar to Sabbath, right? Суббота is Saturday. Почта is a mail. Почта. Then we have полгода. Пол means half, года means year, so it's half a year. Полгода. Data is a date. Data. Then we have kilogram. Kilogram is a kilogram. Kilogram. Next, покупка. Покупка is a purchase. Покупка. Then we have объявление. Объявление either is an announcement or an ad. Объявление. Выезд is exit, or exit for a car. Not for a person, but for a car. Выезд. Then we have субъект. Subject is a subject. Subject. Сдача is change. When you pay for something, and then сдача is what they give you back. Сдача is change. Sometimes сдача can be also delivery or submission as a secondary meaning. Сдача. Internet, of course, is internet. Internet. Gram is a gram. Gram. Centimeter is a centimeter. Centimeter. Next we have stop. Stop is a stop, and stop is typically a command. Stop. Stop. Not necessarily a noun, maybe. Stop can be used as a noun as well. Yeah, stop. Штраф is a fine. Штраф. Next we have регистрация. Регистрация, registration. Четверг is Thursday. Четверг is short of четвертый, fourth. Четверг. Вторник is Tuesday, and вторник also the stem is from второй, second. Вторник. Въезд is entry by a car or entrance, въезд. Index is an index. Index is typically your mail index, is your postal code. Index. Then we have месторождение. Месторождение is birthplace, a place of birth. Месторождение. Новый год is New Year. Новый год is not necessarily a noun, it's a combination of a adjective and a noun, but it's more like a holiday. Новый год. Домашнее задание, similar thing. Homework. Домашнее means home. Задание, we already learned this today, means task. So home task, homework. Почтовый index, here we go. Почтовый index is postal index or zip code. Polka is polka. Polka, I think, is a dance for polka. Polka? How do you say that in polka also in English? Never said this word before. But why this word made it into A1 level, I have no idea, but we're gonna go with it. Polka. Вид спорта is sport type or type of sport, an exact sport like basketball, football, tennis, etc. And вид спорта, type of sport. Then we have полкило. Полкило is short of полкилограмма, which means half a kilo. So полкило, half a kilo. Аллергия is an allergy. Аллергия. Мяч is a ball. Oh, actually, now we're going to move on to some sports-oriented vocabulary and not so much figurative words anymore. Besides, actually, just this one word, мяч, is going to be literal. Мяч is a ball. Мяч. Football is soccer or football. Football in Russian is referring to soccer, of course. And if we have American football, we say американский футбол. Next, Olympiada, Olympics, the Olympics. Olympiada. Hockey is hockey, hockey. Tennis is tennis, of course, tennis. Volleyball, volleyball. And basketball, basketball. That is all. The entire list of 50 words, pretty quick. Quick nouns, not much to explain here. And so keep on learning. We have 2 more. Yes, 2 more videos, 2 more lessons, and 2 more sets to learn with these 50 words per week. So keep on studying this. Don't let up. Don't stop here. Finish this A1 and feel super accomplished. And you're gonna have zero trouble communicating with people on the basic level, expressing your basic needs, etc. Check it out with Be Fluent as well. All the words there. And continue learning with our YouTube videos with this next one. It's up to you.